Hi guys, it's time for an oil change. It's that time of season, the sun's coming out, we've gone through the winter and the Jeep's done some mileage since we last did any servicing. I'm going to have to do quite a bit to it. I need to do an oil change, transfer case oil, a transmission oil, diff oil. On this video I'll just do an oil change, and then on the next one I'll do differential, we'll change the oil on that, and then we'll do another one where we do the transfer case. I was going to do the transmission, but I thought because of the faff and getting underneath and chances of spilling oil right in the garage all over the place with the pan, and having to buy extra tools to do sucking out some oil and all stuff, for the sake of it, I'm just going to get somebody else to do that. I might do it in future. I watched a few videos and I reckon I could do it, but it looks like it'd be messy. I thought for the cost, send it off to a national transmission in town. So I'm going to get that done on Monday. The Jeep's now at 103,000 kilometres, 104,000 kilometres. It's a 2017 JKU automatic, and I'm going to do an oil change. You need 5 quarts of oil. I've gone with the AMSOIL, so should be good stuff. The mop, I've got the filter, and then the gasket going in it. So the tools you'll need is a 24mm socket to take off the oil filter, the cap of the oil filter, which strangely is on top of the engine, and then a 13mm to take off the drain plug. And obviously you'll need somewhere to put the oil, so a drain pan, something, whatever you call it over here. Yeah, so that's the stuff I'll need. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing it to. Let's crack on. First, remove the cover. If you don't have a 24mm, a 15/16 is equally as good. It's the same size, or certainly fits. Huh. I wonder why that didn't sit in there. Well, that's a stinking filter. Oh, Jesus. Fuck. Wow, that was difficult. So it's going to squirt out forward here. So I'm going to put a little bit of pressure on as I'm twisting, just to hold the oil in till I know it's out, and I'm just going to move my hand away and hope I've got the right angle. There we go. Nope. Not too bad. So on the new filter, I get a new gasket, so I need to remove this old gasket carefully without damaging any thread. And there's a recess just up from the top of the filter housing where it fits. Now before we fit it, I'm going to put a big oil around the edge there, but also I'm going to fit the filter. I want to put some oil around the top of the filter too. So there's a small gasket at the top of the filter. I'm going to put some oil on there so it seats properly. when it's seated inside the Jeep. I should hear a click. There we go. And when it comes out, it should next time come out with the housing, the top. Okay, I'm going to replace the filter. Then I'm going to nip that tight with the 24mm socket. Don't have to go crazy tight, it's only a plastic housing. Okay. Time to fill it up. Again, I'm going to use 5 quarts and then see where we're at. I'll probably use 4.5 and just quickly measure. That's 3. That's 4. I'm just checking, but it probably shouldn't even be registering right now. No. We'll put the 5th in. Make sure it's fully inserted. I'm going to pull the dipstick out. I've cleaned it. I just want to make sure I can see what level we're at. Okay, we're probably 2/3 up the way there. Now halfway. So I'll finish off that bottle. I may have to start on the next one, but I'll keep checking until we're at the right level. All that's left now is to reset the oil life meter. I'm not sure what they call it, but yeah, just reset that back to 100%. Take her out for a drive, and I'm going to recheck the oil levels, just make sure they're right after having a drive. Get the fluids working around, and then should be good. Okay, so you see my oil life gauge is at 46%. I'm going to reset that back to 0. I'm going to turn the engine off. Turn the keys to accessory. Pump the gas 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and just like that, it's come to 100%. I can turn it off, start her up, and it should be Jeep. It should be oil life 100%. There we go, reset and good to go. I hope it's been useful. Anybody can do it if you've got the right tools, confidence, and a little bit of know-how. Just be careful, follow the steps carefully. This is not how everybody does it. It's just how I do it. This is not on the instructional manual, but I've done it. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and keep watching for more stuff. And it encourages me to make more videos, and I'll see you on the next one. See you there.